Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 211, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just open up Steam if you have Marvel Rivals installed through Steam. If you have it installed through Epic Games Launcher, I'll show you that method as well. Basically, once Steam is open, just make your way over to Library, look for the Marvel Rivals, right click on once you find it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. Now what you want to do is you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, because what this does is that if there are any issues or any corrupt files, this will basically fix that issue. Once you do that, you can go ahead and X out. You can go over to Steam in the top left and hit Exit. And now what that basically does is that it just basically restart Steam. So if you have any updates, that will help fix that as well. And yeah, when you're done with that, you guys should be good to go. On Epic Games Launcher, it's the same process. Just go over to Epic Games Launcher, go over to Library. From Library, just look for the three horizontal. Go to Library, look for the three horizontal dots, hit Manage, and then go over to Verify Files. And yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.